Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as types of proteins. You know, yesterday we take the question what is the protein, what is the amino acid, how many types of amino acid. But today we discuss here the types of protein. Clear beta? So the protein which have two types depend upon the molecular shape of protein. So on the basis of molecular shape, means what is shape of molecule, the protein which have two types. क्लियर बेटा? आपको पता प्रोटीन मतलब क्या? प्रोटीन इज अ वन टाइप्स ऑफ अ व्हाट बायोमोलिक्यूल्स विच ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस गिव द अमाइनो एसिड. प्रोटीन इज द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ आवर बॉडी. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर शेप प्रोटीन विच हैव द टू टाइप्स. नंबर ए, फर्स्ट कॉल्ड एज द ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन. यस, व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन? सो इट इज डिफाइंड एज दोज प्रोटीन और मॉलिक्यूल विच हैव द स्फेरिकल इन शेप. The molecule which have spherical or circle in shape, those molecules which have the spherical in shape and which contain what the peptide bond which form the coil-like structure. What like that of coil is there, like that of coil-like structure. So it is called as the globular protein. Clear? So what is globular protein? Defined as the protein molecule which have spherical in shape and it form the what peptide bond by a what coil like shape called as the what globular protein. Clear beta? These globular protein are soluble in water molecule. ये दो पॉइंट आपको याद रखने बेटा. क्वेश्चन पूछा एक्सप्लेन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन, तो आपको क्या लिखना है? द ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन मींस व्हाट? द मॉलिक्यूल व्हिच हैव द स्फेरिकल इन शेप एंड द पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड फॉर्म बाय व्हाट हियर द कॉइलिंग स्ट्रक्चर व्हिच स्ट्रक्चर एंड इट इज सोल्यूबल इन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल कॉल्ड एज द ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन. फॉर एग्जांपल, द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? इंसुलिन. और इंसुलिन वन टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन or it also the one type of hormone which are control the what here the beta insulin which is control the what the sugar level in our body. क्लियर? जो आपको पता है, ठीक है. सेकंड, एग्स, albumin. Eggs contain albumin is also the one type of protein which shape which have the globular or spherical in shape. Next, serum albumin. All these three is an example of globular protein which have the which shape spherical or circular in shapes and which is soluble in water molecule. ठीक है बेटा. Next here, what number second types of the protein on the basis of molecular shape. Second, fibrous protein. Which protein? Fibrous protein. So the fibrous protein is defined as those protein molecule which form what here? Elongated rod-like structure. Rod-like structure called as a fibrous protein. So which have the what? A rod shape structure, so called as what here? The fibrous protein. And this protein form the peptide bond, one peptide bond parallel to second parallel. and इसमें जो peptide bond कैसे रहेगा बेटा? पैरेलल रहेगा. क्या रहेगा? पैरेलल. One peptide bond are joined to one amino acid are joined to peptide by what which manner? Parallel manner. So it is called as a fibrous protein. And these fibrous protein are insoluble in water molecule. ये दो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा इसके कंपेरिजन. पहले इसमें याद रखना आपको spherical shape, rod shape structure. It is form the what amino acid form the what the coil-like structure by joining or be attached to the what the peptide bond, whereas the amino acid are joined or to form the पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड विच पैरेलल टू इच अदर. यानी जो भी अमाइनो एसिड की जो मतलब चेन रहेगी वो क्या बनाएगी? पैरेलल क्या बनाएगी बेटा? विच लिंकेज फॉर्म? पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ईयर, एंड इट इज सोल्यूबल इन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, इट इज इनसोल्यूबल इन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. दिस एग्जांपल इंसुलिन, एक्स, एल्ब्यूमिन, सीरम व्हाट हियर? एल्ब्यूमिन इज एग्जांपल ऑफ ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन. वेयर इज द what the keratin is a one types of the what here beta protein which is present in the hair, nail or what? Wool, wool. All these types three contain a what here? Keratin. And second, myosin is a one types of protein called as the protein of muscles. Protein of muscles called what here? The myosin. So all these two types are two example of the protein called what here? Fibrous protein, which have the what? Thread-like structure or rod-like structure. ठीक है बेटा, it is insoluble in water molecule. Now question number next, what here? Structure of protein. So the protein which have different structure depend upon the what constituent or particle or function of the protein. You know the protein which have the different types of function in our body. Some protein are present in the what here? The insulin. Some are present in the what? In the form of enzyme. So all these protein which have different shape and different structure. So on the basis of different function and structure, the protein which have the four types. Structure of protein which have the four what here? The structure of protein, which is the first structure of protein they take here. First called primary structure of protein, second structure of protein, third tertiary structure of protein, and fourth quaternary structure of protein. Depend upon the function and structure of protein. So protein which have the four structure. First called is what? Primary structure of protein. Now what is a primary structure of protein? So the primary structure of protein is defined as those protein in which the amino acid, alpha amino acid link by the what? Peptide bond. The sequence of amino acid are alpha amino acid are linked by the what? Peptide bond to form the long chain called is what here? The primary structure of protein. एक बार रिपीट करो बेटा, याद रखो डिफाइन क्या लिखना है आपको. The structure of the primary structure of protein is defined as the sequence of alpha amino acid are joined together by the what? The peptide bond to form the primary structure of protein. Clear beta? The sequence of alpha amino acid are joined together by what? Peptide bond to form the primary structure of protein. For example, here this example indicate what here? The primary structure of protein here, a representation of structural formula. So here we take the two different types of alpha amino acid. First molecule, second molecule, third molecule, fourth molecule. This fourth molecule of alpha amino acid are joined together with the help of which bond? With the help of CONH bond. This CONH bond is called as what here? Peptide bond. जो मैंने आपको डिफाइन समझाया इसके पहले लेक्चर में, ठीक है? क्लियर बेटा? ओके. What is peptide bond? The bond formed by when two amino acids are joined together and loss of water molecule to form the peptide bond. So here these indicate the primary structure of protein by structural formula. ठीक है बेटा. अब यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है आपको N terminal means the NH2 group here free. So if the NH2 group is free, तो we take the N terminal. Here CO group is free. यहाँ पे कोई group अटैच जगह बेटा नहीं है. So CO group means carbo, oxy group is free. That's why C is called as what? C terminal. अब यहाँ पे जो N terminal कहाँ पे है बेटा? On the left side और right side पे क्या है? C terminal. तो ये N amine group का है बेटा और ये C carboxylic group का है. ठीक है? Next here, the here B indicate representation with amino acid symbol. अभी यहाँ पे क्या किया था? डायरेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर लिया था बेटा हमने. अब उसके नेम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे उसका सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर दिए थे कि भाई कौन कौन से स्ट्रक्चर है अमाइनो एसिड के. यहाँ पे वो एक्चुअली अमाइनो एसिड कौन कौन से है वो ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, सेम है ये स्ट्रक्चर है. यहाँ पे इसका क्या है बेटा? यहाँ पे उसके नेम है. ठीक है. हेयर फर्स्ट पीटे के बाद ALA, एलेनिन, ग्लाइसिन, सेरीन, टायरोसिन, ग्लाइसिन, ग्लाइसिन, लायोसिन. So all these indicate what representation of the amino acid symbolic form. This also the structure of what here? Primary structure of protein. ठीक है. Here this Al means N indicate the N terminal. Here lysine contain a carboxylic, C indicate what? Terminal. So this all indicate what? The structure of the what? Primary structure of protein. ठीक है बेटा. तो आपको याद रखना है सिंपल. Types of protein on the basis of molecular shape. The protein have two types especially. First called globular protein. Second is called fibrous protein. What is globular protein? It is defined as those protein which have the spherical in shape and it form the what here? It form the amino acids are joined together to form the what? Long chain structure. So it's what here called as globular protein or it's called spherical shape. Second, it is soluble in what here? Water molecule. An example: insulin, eggs, albumin, serum, and what here? Albumin. Next, fibrous protein. The molecule of this protein are rod shaped structure or form the elongated structure, and one amino acid are joined together by parallelly to form the what? Which bond here? The peptide bond. it is insoluble in water molecule. Example, keratin, hair, nail, wool contain keratin is one type of protein. Muscles, protein of muscles contain which protein? Myosin. This insoluble in water molecule. Now next, structure of protein. The structure of protein depend upon the what function of the protein and structure of protein, which have the 4 types. Primary structure of protein. So the primary structure of protein is defined as the sequence of a alpha amino acid are joined together by a peptide bond to form the long chain called as a primary structure of protein. Example here, these are example of the primary structure of protein. So one amino acid are joined together by which bond? Peptide bond. Here it's also peptide bond. Here this is also peptide bond, and here this NH is a free. So N we take N terminal is a free on the left side. Carboxylic group C is called as a C terminal. It is a free. Okay. Now this change into what here? The amino acid form. Structure लिए यहाँ पे आप इसका नेम ले रहे बेटा. तो पहला कौन सा लिया हमारे से? एलेनिन. ALA means the 3 letter symbol. Alanine. GLY glycine, serine, tyrosine, glycine and lysine. Here alanine contain a N terminal, means amine group is free, that's why N terminal. The lysine contain carboxylic group C is free, that's why it's called as C terminal. ठीक है. इस तरीके से बेटा हमने देखा टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन. फर्स्ट प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर प्रोटीन, उसके बाद क्या देखेंगे सेकंड स्ट्रक्चर प्रोटीन, टर्शियरी एंड व्हाट हियर क्वाटरनरी. इस तरीके से वन बाय वन इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है. इजी टॉपिक है बेटा, आपको याद रखना है. क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा. एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन, ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. उसके बाद एग्जांपल याद रखनी है. नेक्स्ट ईयर ये स्ट्रक्चर आपको याद रखिए. तो ये याद रखो, ये दोनों में से कोई एक लिख सकते हैं आप. एक तो ए लिखो या बी लिखो. ओके. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच.